I'm going to show you how to solve fellowship stuck on loading screen. So let's start. First of all, go to the Windows search bar and type in NVIDIA. Now, if you can't find the NVIDIA app displaying like this, make sure to download the application from the official website using your browser. Set it up and come back here, open it. Next, sign up with your account. Go to drivers in the left menu and then make sure to select install or download whatever you have. Select Express or custom installation as you like and then click on continue to initiate the updating process. Now once you do that, go to the settings tab in the left menu. After that, make sure to disable the NVIDIA overlay that way. For the next method, go to the Windows taskbar, open this upside arrow, and then search for the launcher that you have the game on, for example Steam. Right click on it if you do find it, and then select exit. That way you ensure that the launcher is not running anymore, and any glitch will be gone. Wait for a couple of moments and then reopen the launcher once again. Once you do that, go to the View tab in the top left corner and select Library. After that, in the left menu, search for Fellowship. Let's suppose this is the game, so you need to select this gear icon in the right. After that, select Properties. Now in the launch options, make sure to type this command -dx11. After that, go to Installed Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files, and that way any corrupted or missing file that is responsible for the loading screen will be fixed. Now for the last method, you can go to the Windows icon right here and then go to Settings. Go to Windows Update in the bottom left menu and then make sure you did select and make sure you did update and install all the Windows updates to avoid any type of unexpected errors. If you do have failed updates, select retry all. If you do find this video is helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.